Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to B2B Energy Toolbox Tips. My name is Paul Webb. I'm the founder of B2B Energy, and I'm also your host. And you can see from my background today, we are in the boardroom again, and we're going to be discussing some of the elements, what the board can be putting into place regarding reducing their energy on their third largest expense. Once you've developed a best practice program within your organization and you've got together a team regarding possibly a member of the board, someone within the maintenance team, a facilities manager, the cleaner manager, security, probably the chef, etc. That team will obviously be meeting every month, but give them something to discuss regarding every month as part of that agenda. And what I suggest you do is put together a survey or an assessment that gets carried out every month by one of the members of the team. And during that time, they can go and review certain areas around that building. So assessment will be a very brief assessment, but a concise assessment. And it will cover such things as heating, cooling, lighting, power, energy management. It also covers water. Once you've completed this assessment, I suggest every month the team then focuses on that and reviews it and possibly score it. So for every point you check, you get a point if it's successfully correct. If it isn't, then we can then start to benchmark and see whether the organisation is improving on their energy management approach. Then lastly, make the organisation aware that every month this team is actively looking at these areas and present that report back to the organisation, whether it be via the intranet, via the notice board, or any newsletter that you're putting together, just to demonstrate how successful you are being regarding this process. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for following the Toolbox tips. If you're not following Toolbox tips now, please subscribe below. There is a link. We're more than happy to hear your comments, and we'd like you to give us some more direction. What do you want to know more about regarding energy and energy management? Do not miss any of these Toolbox tips to help you manage your third largest expense. My name is Paul Webb, and please be safe in these times, you and your family.